look at the second chiburi, or the noto, that you can do in the Honjojutsu style. Okay, so it's more of a noto than it is a chiburi. Okay, so that, and this is an opportunity to do a noto in two different ways that we practice and we conform to. So it's called the Hara Noto, okay, and Hara is the stomach, okay, and Noto is the resheathing. So the Hara Noto is that if you've got caught in this left, okay, which is your offside, okay, so this left passive leg here, this stance, when you are going to Noto. Now you can come up, okay, here, okay, you can do it in many different ways. You can just exchange the leg if you wish, okay, from here. But with the Hara Noto, you are staying in this passive leg. And Hara means that you are going to be moving your stomach to allow this return. Because if you just maintain the classic form of notoing, horizontally notoing, okay, as you begin to noto, I've lost that turn, that extra turn, so I can't noto because I've lost the turn. If I was in the positive stance and I was notoing, yeah, then I would be able to do this because I would have that extra turn in order to return the blade, the last 3 inches of the blade. In Honjo style, we say, right, you do the Hara Noto and you're coming across so that I'm able to drop the left leg back, okay, on this one. Hara Noto is complicated to do and it's more dangerous than the others to do, all right? So, again, come into the passive leg, which is your left, into the Zenko Sudashi stance, weapon pointing down, okay? It doesn't have to be, you could be doing the chiburi here on the end, all right? This is just the position finally before the Hara Noto. So you're coming across horizontally. Just leave the weapon at this point here, habaki, koiguchi. Now, as you begin to sheath, instead of my twisting, which I can't do anymore, what I'm doing is buckling my hara here. So I'm buckling. So as I buckle my hara, the rest of that 3 inches is taken from the convexing of my hara here. All right? Again, show you one. And it's hardly noticeable here. When I come back. All right? As I said, on the traditional, which is practiced by the Isshin Ryu, to the Mori Ryu, Yajutsu, Tenshin, Shorin, Katori, Shinto Ryu, the processes are all universal in its way. The battle style is more for the battle jutsu styles, is that you are, instead of doing the traditional way, which I'm saying you can do, that's not a problem, okay? You can do those styles, Isshin Ryu, Mori Ryu, but if you are caught in this passive leg position, then the Hara Noto is acceptable, okay? And you'll see me do it countless times in the video. All right, so the Hara Noto, again, one. Hara Noto, come across, and back. So you're coming back with this left leg. 9 times out of 10, I'm coming back with this right leg. All right? So if I'm doing this, and I'm coming like here, okay, Moore's coming out with his right leg. Okay? So, again, come across, horizontal, and finish. Alright? Okay, practice if you wish, practice the Hara Noto and go through that. Remember, you're convexing your abdomen. It's not really noticeable that you're doing that. Okay, what I don't want to see, if you're practicing, is coming back and you're doing this, you're bringing the sword around like this. Okay, so I want it to be so that you're maintaining this, watch. Alright, so it looks as if it's impossible to do. Alright, so I'm not really chucking the suka end around like this. Okay, I'm dropping my abdomen in so it's smooth. Alright. Okay, so practice on that, and I'll see you in the next video.